Welcome back to Land Cruiser Restorations. Let's take a look at this Land Cruiser. Came to us from Florida. Guy wanted a complete makeover on the exterior and the interior and a new sound system. How you like those retro Japanese wheels? Highly sought after. Nice, good all-around cruiser. It's a 1991 HDJ80 turbo diesel. Came with the factory 1 HDT 4.2 engine, which produced about 162 horsepower, 3,300 RPM, 276 foot-pounds of torque at 1,400 RPM. Also has the rare 5-speed manual transmission. Let's take a look at it. We had a lot of fun with this one. The guy kind of pulled out the wallet and said, let's do it upright. From the factory, it came with this centerpiece on the rear bumper was actually aluminum. He wanted us to spruce it up a bit, not make it look as factory as it came. So we did it with a rhino line bed in between, as you can see. In between the bumper, we rhinoed it. There's all kinds of products similar to that. Same thing with the running boards on this. Really turned out nice. Really like it. And it is a turbo diesel. So you want to take it for a spin? Well, not going to do it from this side. All new leather interior, new carpet, padding. Has the sunroof. Now we'll go around to the other side and pull the hood release. Take a look at the power plant, stock, engine. And there it is, folks. All new belts and hoses, a tune-up. Like I said, it's 276 foot-pounds of torque at about 1,400 RPM, 162 horsepower, which is not a lot, but you've got a lot of low-end torque to get up and go if you need it. Really like this combination. See if I can show you a little bit on the stereo system. Backup camera. I want you to hear this engine. Just purrs. Look at that low kilometers. 59,210 kilometers. This baby's barely broke in. smooth as that. Really nice. Visit our website, landcruiserrestorations.com. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, take care. Keep your fingers out of your mouth.